Did you know that humanity is going back to the moon? Yes, after almost 50 years, NASA is once again heading toward our nearest celestial neighbor. But this time, the goal isn't just to visit. It's to stay. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the Artemis I mission, a historic step paving the way for humans to return to the moon and beyond. In 1972, after the Apollo 17 mission, humans stopped walking on the lunar surface. But now, in a new era of technology, ambition, and exploration, NASA has launched a bold new program, the Artemis program. The name Artemis comes from the ancient Greek goddess, twin sister of Apollo. If the Apollo missions took humankind to the moon for the first time, the Artemis missions aim to establish a sustainable human presence there. Artemis I was the first mission of this grand program, an uncrewed test flight designed to demonstrate the power and safety of NASA's new space systems. It tested the mighty Space Launch System, SLS, rocket and the Orion spacecraft, both built to carry astronauts farther than ever before. The SLS is the most powerful rocket ever built, launching Orion into orbit and sending it all the way around the moon. The main goals of Artemis I were simple but critical. Keycap 1 to test the performance of the SLS rocket. Keycap 2 to evaluate Orion's systems in deep space, and Keycap 3 to ensure that its heat shield could safely withstand re-entry through Earth's atmosphere, the most intense phase of the journey. The mission lasted about 25 days in space. During that time, Orion traveled nearly 70,000 kilometers beyond the moon, farther than any spacecraft built for humans had ever flown. It carried no astronauts, but on board were high-tech sensors, cameras, and even mannequin astronauts to collect vital data for future missions. When Orion returned to Earth, it entered the atmosphere at blazing speeds, enduring temperatures of nearly 2,800 degrees Celsius. And it performed flawlessly, splashing down safely in the Pacific Ocean. This success proved that NASA is ready for the next steps, Artemis II and Artemis III. Artemis II will carry real astronauts around the moon, and Artemis III will mark humanity's long-awaited return to the lunar surface, with the first woman and the first person of color to ever walk on the moon. But Artemis isn't just about revisiting the moon. It's about preparing for the next giant leap, Mars. By building a permanent base on the moon, testing new technologies, and learning to live beyond Earth, NASA is setting the stage for humanity's future in deep space. So what do you think? Will the Artemis missions truly take us into a new era of space exploration? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing updates from space. Rocket.